my channel. This is the Flora Faunaful channel and I'm Martina. Welcome. If you're new here, please subscribe or leave a comment below. Also press the thumbs up button if you have a green thumb yourself or if you want to get one. Today I want to talk about how I'm feeding my plants, particularly veg, but just about everything this year. Since I have a job outside my home, I need to be really efficient with my time. So I've bought something that has already saved me time in bounds, and it's the Miracle-Gro Feeder that attaches to the hose pipe. A lot of you probably already have it. A lot of people use it for roses, I think, but I really love this. So sit back and relax and let me tell you a few things about my experience with it so far. This system is perfect for smaller homesteads like mine because one feeder full of this feeder of tomato fertilizer can feed 21 plus tomatoes and the rest of the veg that I have in my garden. There's even stuff left over at the end, so it's really efficient. It is easy to use, and like I just said, it's really efficient. There are a few settings that can be adjusted for your garden needs. For example, there's a switch that turns on from watering only to using a water feed mixture. The knobs are made of plastic, so I'm a little weary about that if the feeder should drop or if the plastic gets brittle. I could see this be a potential weak spot over the course of a few years, but I can't tell you much right about now. So if you've had experience, let me know. It also has some different spray patterns. It has flat, jet, and rose, or the rose is called the shower, as you can see. They all work really well, but I have found that the flat setting is really the best. The system does have a trigger so that you can start and stop your spraying easily. If you have large areas to water, there's also a trigger lock so you don't overwork your wrist. And if you have carpal tunnel or osteoarthritis, it's really good. The system can feel a little heavy over time depending on how long you need to water your plants, of course, and how big your garden is. I've not had a problem with it, but I imagine for those with hand or wrist problems like osteoarthritis or carpal tunnel, this could become a problem, so this is very good. It's easy to unlock, you just switch it back. I've been using the system for about 2 weeks now, and I am loving it so far. I did have one when I lived in the United States, but I had to give it up when I left the United States, so this is the first time I've had it again. It really helps me spraying both the leaves and the roots and getting it with fertilizer because they do take in nutrients from the leaves as well. I don't have to lug the watering cans full of water and up and down, back and forth, and I don't even have that far to go, but it is really helpful. The downside is that I can't hook it up to my water butt yet and use the rainwater from that. It would be easily fixed if I had a gravity-fed system or a solar power pump attached to it, but I do have a tap at the bottom of my water butt that would make the hookup easy, so maybe one day, if you know how to do it, let me know. So I'm sure you're wondering about the price. This is really affordable, and I bought it at a local regular garden center. It is a huge time saver, and it just costs $9.99. I think it's already been well worth the price. I can really suggest it. So if you're in the market to save more time in your urban homestead, then this is an ideal tool to help you. I'm in no way affiliated with Miracle-Gro or the garden center. I'm not sponsored by them. I just thought this works so efficiently for people who really want to do two things at once. So yeah, if you like this video and would like to see more of these types of videos, please give me a green thumbs up, subscribe, or leave a comment, or all three. I'd be truly appreciative, and I wish you all the best in your garden this week, and take care.